Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. Alright, so today I'm so excited. We are going to be looking at how you can retouch your dark skin models using Kumoo, right? Such an amazing software that allows you to retouch your images with AI. Of course, who is an AI? And today we're going to be exploring how you can use that same AI to retouch your dark model portraits and you would get amazing results. So this is the image directly from camera, and to fix the things we need to fix, we need to first of all understand what we want to do. So because this is a dark skin model, I wouldn't want her skin to be too warm, especially at this stage. I want to be able to control that later in my color grading. And to fix that, very simple, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my saturation in my HSL, cross down the oranges a little bit and cross down the reds a little bit. This circular move we made, this is the before, this is the after. Then I'll go into my tone, make that the exposure just slightly, right, and a little bit of my highlight. So we'll have our image ready for retouching. So the next thing is to go into our retouching panel. Of course, the first thing to do is to take care of the blemishes. So I'm going to remove all the blemishes by turning on my acne for face and turning on my acne for body, then as well my body blemishes. Then maybe break down my matte a little bit so that the highlights on how will come down a little bit. But you see the the blemishes are not going out as you want. You can as well turn on your moles for face and it's going to take care of the rest of the stuff. Whatever that you've not taken care of at this point, just leave it in the retoucher. They are going to be taken care of. Then quickly go down to our retouching. But before we do that, I need to lift her eye bag a little. So I'll just cut my dark circle and stay somewhere between 49 to 50. Every other thing I will leave the same and open up my skin retouching category, which if you come into, you will have your neutral gray leveling, your neutral gray contour, your skin refinement, your frequency separation for box, face, and for body, which is the first thing we are going to be starting with. So I will increase my frequency separation. You might want to keep it all the way at 100, but I kept mine at 86. Then a little bit of my high frequency. Then I'm going to use my skin refinement effect somewhere around 38ish to bring more evenness, and of course my neutral gray contour to restore some dimensions we've lost. You might as well want to touch a little bit of the grain leveling to give you that extra smoothness you would want on your image, just to be somewhere around here. They will come down for the frequency separation for the body. So this works directly for the body. Then of course I'm going to take up the high part of it, the little bit of the low frequency. So I have a very clean image. This is the before, this is the after. So the next thing I want to quickly do is to synchronize the skin tone between that of the face and that of the body just a little bit. So just turn this up a little bit. So this allows to synchronize the skin tone. If I take it all the way to 100, you will see where it's going to look really off, right? So just keep it somewhere around there so we don't lose those shadows behind here or still maintaining the same color. So I'm going to pan it a little and pull it down just somewhere around here, just a little bit, and of course warm it up a little. Now it's time to enhance our makeup. So we'll go all the way down to the makeup category, enhance our eyebrow, enhance our eye makeup, enhance our shadow, and enhance our eye. And you are good to go. So you can as well decide to enhance your lip makeup. If there is blushing on your paper, if your image have blushes, you can as well enhance the blush. For basic, and we are good to go. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So I think I need to brighten up our skin tone just a little bit more. So just brighten things up like this. And the job is on. So I want to show you a very quick trick that is a bonus, right? With all these things we just did, you can actually save it. Then every single time we bring in a beauty image into Photoshop, especially if the person is a dark skinned model, you likely are going to still repeat everything with it right now. So what we are going to do is that we're going to save these settings up, and once we save it, any single time we want to use it, we are going to just click one button and the image will be retouched. But before we do that, I think I give it enhance my shadow. Yeah. I think I left some hands. Then I'm noticing that the hair is, too bright for this level of skin brightness. So I'm going to come down to my hair category over here, select the dark one and reduce the intensity just to bring that dark effect into the head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my new preset. So I'm going to call this beauty and Menaline Beauty. That I'm going to save it right inside my own category, or rather let me save it inside my beauty retouch category, save. So even if I reset this image now, which I am going to do, if I click here, it will reset everything that we've done. If I open up my preset, go to mine, come all the way down to beauty. Remember, we'll call it beauty, and once I click on it, just give it few seconds. The touching will be done. I do not need to move it. Also, again, it's going to do everything for me. So if I have 10 pictures, all I need to do is just to apply on one and synchronize, and we are good. So in case you're wondering where you're going to download Kumoo, just go to the description of this video. You will see the link pasted right there. Click on it and download it, install it in your own PC, use it for your own jobs, and you are going to be grateful you did. One more thing, if you register, or rather, if you purchase your credits using our promo code, Kumoo gives you 30% free discount. More like a bonus, right? Whatever you pay for, you'll get extra 30% of it for free. Isn't that amazing? So make sure you download it right now, incorporate it into your workflow, and you will see how amazing your jobs are going to be coming out. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you subscribe, hit on the notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one.